Instead of building pipelines that constantly break, Minexa lets both developers and non-developers define a scraper once and reuse it reliably, perfect for scraping programming language data. Go to the page that contains your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered DOM in your browser and automatically prepares everything for extraction. Open the Minexa extension. This is where extraction begins, whether you are exporting to Excel or running large-scale workflows. Click here. Minexa finds repeating content blocks across the page to detect the programming language data list. The full result set is within reach. Minexa found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run to gather complete programming language statistics. Choose between scraping the list only or going deeper by also extracting each linked detail page for more detailed programming language insights. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. If the highlighted section looks correct, click Create Scraper and complete the training to capture the programming language usage data accurately. Both visible and hidden data were detected. Image URLs, attributes, and nested values are all available. You can select detailed programming language usage statistics like rankings, ratings, and trends. Click API Request to get the code that lets you scrape up to 50,000 URLs in one go, processed in parallel automatically for efficient data retrieval. Ready for any scale. Click Complete Configuration and use this scraper for a single export or millions of pages of programming language usage data. No results will be missed. Multi-page navigation is saved and will run automatically on every extraction to gather comprehensive programming language stats. All set. Add a schedule here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically. Then click to create your job and keep your programming language data fresh. Click Run. Every job produces clean, structured data ready for direct ingestion into analytics or ETL systems, making your programming language data instantly usable. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. This includes language names, ratings, and trends, so you can use this data straight in databases, pipelines, or spreadsheets. Click Export to download the dataset. Every value came from the exact right spot on the page, so no AI hallucination issue occurs. Try Minexa today and replace fragile scraping scripts with a system that stays accurate and reusable over time for your programming language data needs.